representa a los soldados que se van y no vuelven.
Continues their heading. The B-51 Mustang pulling up toward heaven and turning on a westerly heading, going west. Thank you for your reverence and your attention. The Great New England Air Show is underway. And right on time, here's the next B-25 coming in from the left on a simulated bombing run to get us underway.
What? That's one of the sharks? You saw it?
Special on the B-25. We'll tell you more about it when that flies for you later on. But you may have
Someone's
heard of a
coming where?
general named Hap Arnold.
Okay.
He had a whole lot to do with getting the Army Air Corps underway, and that was Hap Arnold's personal B-25. We'll tell you more about that when the aircraft are flying later on. But now, we have lots of things happening for you. We've got the airplanes underway. You noticed that Michael Goulian and Rob Holland took off, and they were up there circling. They're going to be back for you in just a few minutes as we watch our World War II aircraft flying in tribute to the military members of the greatest generation. Some of whom are here, and I hope you get a chance to meet them up close and personal and thank them for their service. Get your cameras ready as our vintage aircraft, our F4U Corsair,
Oh, look at guys,
our
look at.
Corsair, our B-51 Mustang, and our B-47 Thunderbolt pass in review.
These are the Thunderbolts, guys.